In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva presentations to Google Slides. If you've created a presentation in Canva but need to continue editing or presenting it in Google Slides, the process is actually very simple. The main idea is to first download your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file and then import that file into Google Slides. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your presentation in Canva. Make sure you're on the presentation you want to convert before moving on. Once it's open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. From there, look for the File Type drop-down menu. Open that menu and choose the PowerPoint file type. After selecting it, click Download. Canva will then prepare your presentation and save it to your computer. Depending on the size of the presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the file has finished downloading, head over to Google Slides. You can open either an existing presentation or start with a blank one, depending on where you want the Canva slides to go. If you want to add the Canva slides into a project you're already working on, open that file now. If not, a blank presentation works perfectly fine. Next, go to the top menu bar in Google Slides and click File. From the drop-down menu, select Import Slides. A small window will appear on your screen. In that window, click the Upload tab and then choose Browse. This will open your computer's file browser so you can find the presentation file you just downloaded from Canva. Locate the downloaded Canva presentation, select it and click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Google Slides will begin uploading the file. If your presentation is large or contains a lot of visual elements, give it a little time to finish. After the upload is complete, you'll see the slides available for import. At this stage, you can choose a single slide, several slides, or all of them, depending on what you need. Once you've made your selection, click Import in the bottom right corner of the window. Now, all that's left to do is wait for Google Slides to finish importing everything. When the process is complete, your Canva presentation will appear inside Google Slides and be ready for you to edit or present. And that's it. You've successfully converted a Canva presentation to Google Slides.